Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Today I'm going to show you that how to turn off comments on a Facebook post, whether you are trying to limit interactions or just want some peace and quiet. This quick guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on your computer and log into your account. Next, find the post for which you want to disable comments. This could be a post on your timeline, in a group, or on a page you manage. Like we want to disable comments on this particular post. Once you have found your post, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. This will open a menu with several options. From here you can choose who can comment on your post. At this point, Facebook does not allow you to completely turn off comments on all of your posts, so you have to choose one of these options. Once you've selected from one of these options, click on done, and that's it. You have successfully turned off comments on your Facebook posts. If you ever want to enable comments again, simply follow the same steps and select turn on commenting. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful too. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.